Meaning of divine right.
Divine right.
Divine right.
Divine right.
Divine right. Divine right is a political theory that asserts a monarch's legitimacy comes from God, and their authority is absolute and cannot be challenged by individuals or institutions. This theory was commonly used in European monarchies during the Middle Ages and the early modern period. The result was that monarchs were able to justify their power and authority without being held accountable for their actions. This led to a concentration of power in the hands of a few individuals, often resulting in abuses of that power and oppression of the masses.